Okay. Okay, now girls, come on. Okay. Where's our big sister? Where's my big sister? Boo! Ah! You scared me! Okay. Can you please get the beach chairs and umbrella and some beach things? Yeah, sure. Okay, now let's wait that our dad can get our beach stuff. Yes, okay. La, 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 la. And voila, they are done. Finally. Now I'm gonna lay down. Me too. Let's sit. See, come on. I'm scared. You're right. It feels so good. Feels so good. It's so nice. Now let's go to water. I'm scared. I'm scared. Come on. Try it. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. Okay, fine. Let's make a castle. Yay! You mean sand castle? Yes, sand castle. Then come on. What are you waiting for? Okay, I'm gonna stay here. Now let's make some water. Let's put some flags. Yeah, we need flags. Yes. Okay. Done. Voila. Just a nice sand castle. Yeah. I saw something. What is it? I'm just gonna sit here. Me too. Oh, I saw a shark. Hi, shark. Oh, hi. What's your name? Sharky. Nice name. Hello. Oh, hi. What's your name? My name is Lyra. Oh, wow, nice name. Look at what we made. A castle. Nice. Yes. Let's tell to our mom and dad. Yes, come on. Mommy, daddy. Look at our new friend. Hi, I'm Mermaid and my name is Lyra. Hi, I'm Shark and my name is Sharky. And we have something to show you again. It's our castle! Sand castle! Yes! Nice! Okay, nice! It's getting late. Yeah, and it's kind of getting dark. So, we will come tomorrow. You mean after tomorrow, because tomorrow is your school. Okay, fun. Bye.